Good morning, class 8, subject maths, chapter 5, circle and its element, and page number 60, question number first exercise 5.1. स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये क्लियर कर दूं कि ये जो डायग्राम बुक में दिया है दैट इज रॉन्ग. उसमें आपको सीधा सीधा ये दिख रहा है कि AC and BD are diameter, but it is not. AC is a chord and here AC is a chord and BD is also a chord. It is not a diagonal. उसमें जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिया है वो जस्ट आपको रेक्टेंगल जैसा लग रहा है, बट इट इज अनमेजर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल. It is not a rectangle. So be clear through the diagram. Okay, students. Diagram जो book में somehow it is wrong. Now we discuss some question. First, identify the arc ABC. Now we see A, B, C. ये यहाँ से ये. That is, this arc is very big as compared to this arc. So this is what? Big means major arc. So arc ABC is a major arc. Okay, students. Now we will see identify arc BCD. Now you see BCD. BCD. तो B ये जो है यहाँ से DAB is bigger and BCD is smaller. Therefore, arc BCD is a minor arc. Okay, students. When you see in the book, it is just be look like a semicircle, both ABC and BCD. So you don't get confused. Somehow the diagram is wrong. The diagram in book feels like rectangle, but it is actually a unmeasured quadrilateral. किसी भी टाइप का quadrilateral जिसकी साइज unmeasured है. Okay. Now students, question number 3 we discuss. Name the minor angles formed by minor arc AB. Minor arc AB. This is a minor arc AB. And what are the angles formed by this? So by this arc we form the angle A to C and B. C. A से अब ज़्यादा क्लियर यहाँ से समझो. A and B forms angle. So this angles name what? Angle ACB. So I have given here angle ACB. Now see, इसी आर्क से ये जो आर्क है आपका ये A to C and B to C. So first is angle ACB I have written. You can write in any order. And now A से फिर क्या जाएगा? A to D and B to also D. I will make it by separate color. See here. A to D or B to D. So this is A D B. Here I have written A D B. Okay, students. Now we will discuss the next question. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will see question number 4, 5, and 6 of exercise 5.1. So what is question number 4? On which arc is angle ACB? On which arc is angle ACB? Angle ACB. This is angle ACB. So it is on which arc? You have to be very clear. इसमें मिडिल में क्या दिया है? C. अब इसको C को बस फॉरगेट करो. क्या बचा? AB. So write on arc AB. Minor arc AB. Okay, students. Same as in question number 5. On which arc is angle CBA? So in middle what is B? So you forget the B. But what left? CA. But if you go through the arc CA, this is line CA. But you go through the arc, there is a point D. So you have to mention arc CDA. It is on angle CBA. See, here is angle CBA. So this is formed by arc CDA. CDA. This arc is formed. This arc is on this line. See, CA and form angle CBA. Simply since you left out the middle term. Here also, if you miss this term, then what get AB? So minor arc AB. Here also you miss the cut the middle term in what left CA. So it will be CA. But when you go to the arc CA, there is a term B. So you have to mention arc CBA. Now on which arc is angle CBD and angle CAD? Same as you see here. CBD means left the B and what left CD. So minor arc CD. Same as here. You इसको फॉरगेट करो, आप एक को मिडिल टर्म को यहाँ पे बी को यहाँ पे क्या बचा CD, यहाँ पे भी क्या बचा CD. So minor arc CD. Same as students, you can do these three questions are of the same type. Now write the name of angles formed on point D. Point D पे जो angles बन रहे हैं, point D is here. So one angle ADB. ADB. See first angle ADB, or you can write BDA. These both are same, ADB or BDA. Now second angle is ABC. This angle ABC. Okay students. Now third angle BDC. This angle BDC. Or in BDC, in place of BDC you can write angle CDB also. This and this are same, this and this are same angle. So students, now your exercise 5.1 get finished. Okay, I will send you the photocopy of this page exercise 5.1. Okay, thank you. We will see the next exercise in next video. Okay.